Welcome to the Inkscape Chrome extension video for Chromebook users only. So the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome, and then you're going to go up to the Google search area and you're going to type in Google App Store. The other version of this is the Chrome Web Store. If you click on that, then you're going to go up to the search bar and you're going to search for Inkscape. Inkscape is a extension that you can use inside of Google Chrome on a Chromebook. So notice it'll be there. If mine wasn't already installed, it would say add to Chrome. Go ahead and add it, and then it'll show up as an icon up at the top by the search bar. What you want to do is you want to open up Inkscape, and it should open up in something called Microsoft Docs, and it will take a couple of seconds to open the interface. Notice that the interface has a lot of stuff in it. So there's some ads that actually happen off to the side, which can be somewhat annoying, but if you're on a Chromebook, this is pretty much the only way you're going to be able to use Inkscape. If you want to go into other Google or Microsoft apps, those are down in the lower right-hand corner. We have File Manager and Templates, and then we have Open and Save in Google Drive, which is great because we can just save directly to Google Drive. And then there's a zoom feature. If you do hit open or save, it's going to send you to the Office Docs editors for Google Drive page, and these are other extensions that you may have to download in order to use. Normally what I would try and do is save as either a file, a PDF, or an image, and so we're going to go into Docs. If you want to open a file and you want to go into your Google Docs, go ahead and sign in. Make sure you're on the right account. I have 2 accounts. Enter Google Drive, and then you may have to make sure that it has allowed it. And then you can go in here and you can look at the files in your Documents files. So I have quite a few files in here that are actually from the district. So I don't really have a lot of stuff in here that's images. Okay, you can search using the little search bar. That might be the best way to do that. Once you find something that you want to bring in, then you just hit insert. So if you're having trouble getting Inkscape to load as an extension inside of Google Chrome, you may have to check the preferences. So you go up to the Chrome menu on the Mac, and you need to go into your preferences. It's just the easiest way to do this is at the top in the settings bar, just type in Flash. Then scroll down into Site Settings, and then scroll down until you find the Flash Settings menu, which should be highlighted. Okay, it's right there. If I click on it, then I can see whether or not these apps are being blocked. Sometimes this is automatically turned on, and you would have to turn that off at that little toggle switch. Okay, that is if your Google Chrome is not letting Inkscape open. So just to review again, you'd have to turn off the extension of blocking of Flash, and that is located in the settings area underneath Flash. If you need to, just search for it.